If you've ever needed a compact quality microphone for your camera or even your phone or any other small device using a 1/8 inch jack, the Rode Video Micro could be exactly what you're looking for, and we're going to test it out. So stick around. Hello and welcome, beautiful and amazing people. I am Jay and you're watching DS Tech Media, where we cover everything tech from consoles to servers, but specializing in Linux and open source software. And as I said before, today we're going to be looking at the Rode Video Micro ultra compact on camera microphone. So let's jump right into it. So the reason why I purchased this is as a follow-up of sorts to my video about the GoPro Hero 8 and the Media Mod 8 for the GoPro, which includes a built-in microphone. I was a little bit unimpressed with the quality of that microphone, and a way around that had been suggested by other reviewers was with a microphone much like this one. Wow, this thing isn't obnoxious at all. That is insane how big this windshield is. Here's the little curly 1/8 inch jack. And apparently it even comes with a 2-year warranty, so that's kind of cool. And this thing is so obnoxious. I did not think that it was going to be so big, but luckily most of my use for it is going to be indoors. Here we have the heart of the device. It's got Rode prominently written on it. Apparently it is made in Australia, which I was not aware of. Rode is a pretty well-known name in microphones. And of course it also comes with a cold shoe mount. This will fit on most cameras. This is sort of a universal system. And this is called a Rycote suspension mount. So it's basically a camera-borne shock mount, and it has a sort of rubber fitting on the inside, so it gets a nice little grip on the microphone. The microphone's got a little bit of weight to it. I like that. I think that sort of indicates quality. So I guess now I'm just going to be hooking it up and we're going to do some tests. Okay, so it's going to mount to the side of the GoPro like this, and then we just twist it tight. And I think this thing is kind of insane because, and it doesn't show up in the frame too bad, but this isn't with the wide view of the GoPro, so that would definitely change if I was using the wider view. And the jack is going to plug into the media mount. Unfortunately, you need for the media mod in order to make use of this. And there, of course, is where it goes. Last thing to do, I guess, is test it out. So here we go. So here I'm just recording with the Media Mod microphone, and I'm just gonna try and get a baseline, and in 1 second I'm gonna plug in the Rode and see what kind of a difference we get. Okay, and this is with the Rode microphone plugged in. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3 4. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3 4. Obviously I can't really tell the difference until I review this stuff on the computer, and I guess we'll talk about that in a little bit. Okay, so this is going to be a test playing the guitar. I just want to see how it picks up some amplified sound without the Rode microphone. This is using the media mod microphone. See what we got. Alright, so first impressions. Immediately you can hear from the first audio comparison of me talking into the microphones that the Rode Video Micro is much quieter in volume, and that's why I did a 10 decibel boost so that you could get a better idea of the sound. But I think it's also important to note that in the guitar clips, the quality of the sound is much more apparent. The clarity of the notes is a lot cleaner in my opinion. I think with the built-in media mod microphone, the volume is loud and it sounds decent, but it's definitely a lot more washy and it's almost near clipping at times. And I used the same volume for both. I tried to get everything as identical as possible, but these aren't strictly directional microphones, so the pattern for them should be relatively the same. In the guitar playing clips, one thing that's very apparent is the overdrive hum from the amplifier can be heard audibly pretty loud in the Media Mod microphone, whereas with the Rode Video Micro, there's virtually no sound. It's very quiet, and I think that just shows the quality of the audio response for the Rode Video Micro. Another important factor that I entirely forgot to mention is the price. I paid about $50 at Best Buy, and from a precursory look online, I've seen it going from anywhere from $45 to $70. So I could probably definitely recommend this microphone at that price range. You'll be able to get use out of it because it's not limited to the GoPro. You can mount it on top of a DSLR camera. You could use it with a cell phone. But when it comes to sound quality, it can be very subjective. So I'd be interested to hear which one did you think sounded better. Leave a comment below. And if you made it this far in the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And check back in the near future. There's lots of stuff in the works. Even more hardware videos are coming. Maybe some more gaming content coming in the near future. But anyways, that's what I got. Thank you for watching DS Tech Media, and I will see you in the next one.